Jai Hind, my dear students. Welcome back in my class. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is Metro Cities of India. So what is metro cities? Metro cities are very big urban cities where more than 1 million people live for their living. We are going to learn about two important metro cities of India, that is New Delhi and Mumbai. Metro cities of India. So my dear students, we have two important metro cities of India, that is number one is Delhi and number two is Mumbai. First of all, I will make a map so that you can understand or you should understand where Delhi is located on the map of India. I will make only north part, okay, not whole map of India. So this is north part of India. Now Delhi is located at the middle here. So this Delhi, now I will start with the topic. This Delhi is the national capital of India. What is it? It is a national capital of our India, and places which are surrounding this New Delhi, we can say, which comes in the border of this New Delhi are Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad. So these are the places which are located, or you can say, which are at the outside of your Delhi. Now we are going to learn about some of the important monuments which you can say which were built by Mughals when they ruled India. So number one is Qutub Minar. Now, as the name is Qutub Minar, it is already suggested that it is built by Qutbuddin Aibak, okay, who ruled Delhi. Now, this story is this building has a 5-story. It's a tallest building, okay, in the, you can say, in India. It's tallest minaret in India, and it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak, and it has 5-story. 5-story मतलब 5 buildings है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay. Number second, we have Red Fort. Now, Red Fort is built by Shah Jahan, and it is made up of red stone. Okay. Then in Red Fort, every Independence Day, on every Independence Day, our Prime Minister, whoever the Prime Minister will be, come there and hoist the national flag of India. So this is the importance, or you can say our national flag is hosted on Independence Day at Red Fort every year. Then we have number 3, Jama Masjid. Now, this Jama Masjid is the, you can say, largest mosque in India. सबसे बड़ा mosque है, okay, where all the Muslims go and is the largest mosque and it is also built by Shah Jahan. And it is situated in Old Delhi. We have New Delhi, New Delhi and Old Delhi. So Jama Masjid is situated at Old Delhi. Then we have very important India Gate. So India Gate is was made in the memory of those soldiers who died in World War First. In World War First, India sent their soldiers to outside to England so that they can fight and they can fight in the First World War. Okay, so there, all those soldiers who died there. So this India Gate is just a tribute to those soldiers, and in every bricks of India Gate you will find names of those soldiers who participated in the World War First and they died. And one of the important thing, you will see the Jyoti every time which is burned at the India Gate. So at that place, my dear students, that Jyoti is always, it always have a light. वो हमेशा जलता रहता है, चाहे दिन हो, रात हो या कुछ भी हो. And that is known as Amar Jawan Jyoti. Okay, that is also important. And it was also burnt in the memory of those soldiers, or to protect India, or those who participated in the World War First. Then number 5, my dear students, we have most important Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now, Rashtrapati Bhavan is important because it is the residence of our president. So it has Rashtrapati Bhavan. In Rashtrapati Bhavan, it's have president have its office. So whenever we have any work, Rashtrapati, the president of India, will always be there in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and it is near Rajpath. Okay, Rajpath. It is near Rajpath, and it is famous for its Mughal garden. Now in Mughal garden, you will find various flowers, various types of flowers. Okay, in the month of February, so all the people from outside India, from all over India, come and go there to see the different kinds of flowers which are grown in the Mughal garden. Now we have important temples also, where people go there and worship there. So we have 2 important temples, that is Lotus Temple and then we have Akshardham. These 2 temples are very important. All people from all over India come and go there. Now we have Delhi is also famous for its street food. So you will find a lot of street food at Delhi, and it is also famous for its marketplaces. Now the most important market which you also know maybe, that is Chandni Chowk, Sarojini Market, and then we have Karol Bagh. Okay, so all these markets are very important and very famous for their jewelries, for their dress, for their wholesale market, and then so all these all shops you will find in these places like Chandni Chowk. Whatever kind of clothes, whatever kind of street food you want to have, you can go in Delhi and you can have from there. Okay. Then the climate of Delhi is very hot, is extremely hot, as well as winters are very cold. During summer, wind blow there, and that wind is called Lu. गर्म हवा होती है जो समर के टाइम बहुत बहती है, ठीक है, तो उस विंड को हम लू बोलते हैं। देन वी हैव पीपल in Delhi are reconnected when they go to their jobs and when they go for for घूमने वगैरह, any type of work they do. So one thing which join them, which reconnect them, is metro of that place. So you can say that people of Delhi, they are connected by well planned, or you can say Delhi metros. So Delhi metros are also important, and in metro hundreds of people travel from one place to another place. Now we are going to learn about Mumbai. The second topic is your Mumbai. Second one is Mumbai. Now, Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India. Financial capital of India. Now, I am going to make a map so that you can or you should know that where Mumbai is located on the map of India. So I will make just a south map. So this is the south part of India, okay? South India. So Mumbai is located here. This is Gujarat and this is whole Maharashtra. ये पूरा जो है हमारा महाराष्ट्र है. So Mumbai is here. Now my dear students, here we have Arabian Sea and here we have Bay of Bengal. Now, as we are seeing that Mumbai is located in the coastal line of Arabian Sea. Okay, so here we have important port, or you can say Mumbai is also is also known as one of the important port city. Now you will ask me, what is port? Now port is a place, or you can say port is a place where ships are loaded and unloaded. That means port वो जगह है जहाँ पे ships मतलब बहुत बड़े बड़े जहाज, ठीक है, वहाँ पे सामान को लाया जाता है और उतारा जाता है, या वहीं से सामान का ट्रेड किया जाता है. तो हम जिसे हम बोलते हैं सी ट्रेड. ओके, तो सी ट्रेड जो होता है वो पोर्ट से होता है, और वो कहाँ से होगा? जितनी भी हमारी पोर्ट सिटीज है. We have Mumbai port city, then or here we have Karnataka, Kerala, then we have Tamil Nadu, we have Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, then we have West Bengal. So the oldest port we have is West Bengal, that is Kolkata. Okay, so these all are your port cities. तो जैसे बस स्टैंड्स, we have bus stands. तो बस स्टैंड में क्या होता है? हम लोग वहाँ जाते हैं, वहीं से दूसरे प्लेसेस में जाते हैं, राइट? सो एट द सेम टाइम, सेम वे इन पोर्ट्स, यहाँ पे सामान को लाया जाता है और उतारा जाता है, और दूसरे देशों में विद द हेल्प ऑफ सी ट्रेड, ओके, मतलब ट्रेड किया जाता है. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. नाउ मुंबई इज in 1995 पहले मुंबई को बॉम्बे बोलते थे, and Bombay was a name given by the Britishers, and you know that Britishers ruled our country over 200 years ago. You can say 200 साल तक उन्होंने इंडिया पे राज किया था. So those Britishers called Mumbai as Bombay. when India got independence in 1995, the name of Bombay was changed and it was named as Mumbai. Now Mumbai, it is named with the on the name of the goddesses. The name was Mumba Devi. तो मुंबा देवी के नाम पे ही बॉम्बे को मुंबई किया गया. Now, I have already told you that this is a port city, important port city where all the sea trade यहाँ से किया जाता है, and it is also known as the financial capital of India, and it is also famous for career, in aspect of career. If you wanted to go to serials, if you wanted to go to Bollywood, so what you have to do, you have to reach Mumbai and start your career. Modeling, fashion, mass media, ये जितने भी career है मुंबई में ही established है, and it is also known as the you can say entertainment capital, and many industries, textiles, chemicals, oil, and medicines are also made in this place, Mumbai. That is why it is known as the financial capital of India. Now we are going to learn some of the important places of Mumbai, Bombay. Number one, we have Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Now this Gateway of India has 4 मीनार, 4 मीनार है. ये एक पूरा पैलेस टाइप का है और इसके चारों 4 कॉर्नर्स में ऐसे मीनार खड़े हुए. ओके, एंड इट इज द फेमस लैंडमार्क्स ऑफ मुंबई. Famous landmarks, and it has, I have already told you, it has 4 towers with stone carving on them. यानी कि बारीक बारीक काम किया गया हुआ है उसमें. आर्किटेक्चर जो कलाकार है वहाँ पे, जो कलाकार थे उस टाइम पे, उन्होंने बहुत छोटी छोटी कलाकारी की है इसमें. ठीक है. एंड गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया क्यों बनाया गया था? When Elizabeth Queen wanted to visit India, so the people of India made this Gateway of India so that it is, you can say, one of the important landmarks of India, and it was built because Queen Elizabeth was coming in India. तो उनके स्वागत के लिए ये बनाया गया था. Then we have Elephanta Cave. Second one, Elephanta Cave. Now this Elephanta Cave is also a famous place. You have to take a boat, or you have to take you have to take boat to go there. Okay. और आप गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया से ले सकते हो, एंड इट इज 10 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम मुंबई, फ्रॉम द मेन सिटी मुंबई. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज मेड बाय स्टूडेंट्स, Marina Drive. Now Marina Drive is also important. Why it is important? It is like a neck. It looks like a necklace shape. During night time it looks like a necklace shape because of lights. जो मुंबई के बीच है, और यू कैन से जो सी है, तो उसके किनारे ये ड्राइव है, मरीना ड्राइव है, और यहाँ पे लोग जाते हैं बहुत फील करने के लिए जाते हैं. सी का किनारा फील करने के लिए जाते हैं, कोस्ट फील करने के लिए जाते हैं. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ए क्वींस नेकलेस, मुंबई का नेकलेस. जैसे हमारा गला होता है, ठीक है, तो हमारे गले की शेप कैसी होती है? इस तरह से. सेम वे मुंबई में बीच में यहाँ ऐसे दिखता है, और यू कैन से इस तरह से. तो ये एक नेकलेस की शेप बनाता है. ओके. Now my dear students, we have important one, that is Bandra ceiling. Now this Bandra ceiling join the main city of Mumbai, okay, to you can say western suburbs. मेन सिटी को वेस्टर्न सुबर्ब से ज्वाइन करता है एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग ब्रिज. मुंबई की बहुत लंबी ब्रिज है. So these were the places in Mumbai where you can go and have fun and you can spend your holidays. Now the climate of Mumbai is very little bit humid and wet. Why humid and wet? Because I have already told you that it is located near sea, so the wind which blows from sea brings water in its particle. छोटे छोटे वाटर के ड्रॉपलेट्स लेके जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे ना ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है ना ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, but every time it has a humid climate with a wet and dry climate. And during night time it gives a cold wind, मतलब ठंडी ठंडी हवा बहती है यहाँ पे. Now the languages which are spoken here is Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, English, Konkani. These are the languages which are spoken here. Festivals, one of the very important festivals which Mumbai people celebrate is Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, तो जब भी गणेश चतुर्थी होती है ये लोग बहुत धूमधाम से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं because they believe in Lord Ganesha. So this is their favorite or important festivals. And street food you will find here is vada pav and important street pav bhaji, vada pav. So these are the important street food which everybody in Mumbai or people those who go, who visit Mumbai want to have or want to try vada pav, pav bhaji of Mumbai because it is famous for its street foods. Now railways are common in Mumbai because you can say passenger railways, not railways which connect one city to another city, but we have passenger railway there. So those railways connect every part of Mumbai, every small city of Mumbai to each other. So during a day time or during a night time, thousands of people travel through these local trains. So this was all about Mumbai, and it has one of the very famous stadium, that is Wankhede Stadium. Wankhede Stadium is famous there where all the matches, test matches or sometimes different matches we have in test. So they cricket matches, they are all played in this Wankhede Stadium. So my dear students, this was all about Mumbai. Now two important places, that is Delhi and Mumbai, I have explained you. I have told you that where they are located in India, on the map of India. So your work is take a political map or physical map, any map you want. Try to take a political map, okay, and locate Mumbai and New Delhi in that, okay. And